Boracaymix TV. Yeah, today's weather is really so good. Look at that. Good morning everyone, welcome to Boracaymix TV. Right now I'm here at Station 2 Beach Run. As you can see, today weather is not so really good. And it's raining. So this is what Boracay looks like. Wow, look at that. It's raining. Oh my god. Weather is not so good today. So it's Bagat season, so what do you expect? It's also typhoon season here in Boracay. So the weather will be always like this, raining. Oh god, I miss the sunshine already. Hopefully we have a good weather tomorrow, you know. Because here in Boracay, the weather is always changing. Today the weather is not so good. Tomorrow it will become sunny. Sometimes it's raining in the morning, later in the afternoon. Weather is good. It's always like this. Even there's no typhoon or low pressure. Sorry. So keep walking and keep talking. Show up.
Hand the water, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter. Got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Not even under. I'm stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. You feel so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into the river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
So, back to the vlog. So, as you can see at my back, the weather's really not so good today. And there's no people. Absolutely not. Especially right now. It's really hard to go for a swim. It's quite dangerous, you know. It's too wavy. Maybe there's like a rip current somewhere. But then, most of the Filipino, you know, have fellow Filipino, we really love, you know, we really do love swimming in the rain. Raining, go to the beach. Yeah, it's not that hot anymore, you know. Hindi tayo mangingiti. We're not getting tan, you know, because there's no sun. It's just rain. And the beach out. Look at the beach. Wow. This is quite different from my vlog, you know. Especially when I post something on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. It's like the beautiful scenery of Boracay. The weather is always good. And then, you know, you can see the sky, the beach, sea. But right today, you know, there's always, you know, good and bad. Not always we have like good weather here today. hopefully the tourists will come back really soon. You know, it's really hard to live here in the island. You know, after the lockdown, quarantine, right now it's like the new normal. You always need to wear a face mask before you go to the restaurant. You know, there's like a scanner, yeah, a thermal scanner, you know. It's like for your own safety, for everyone's safety. Look at that. Yeah, I'm here at the Regency. I'm going back home. Oh shit. And one of the main problem also here in Boracay, especially when it's raining, there's like small flood, especially here in Henan Regency. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it's an island, but there's like a flood almost everywhere. Yeah, you know, because after closure, they're still fixing the road. Not all the road are already fixed. Gonna fix it, hopefully, real soon. Let's go check it out. So this is like a small flood here in the Station 2 Henan Regency. Look at the water. Yeah, look at that. Oh, shoot. It feels like I'm back in the city, you know. There's like flood everywhere. But in here, you know, there's like few floods area, you know. Before, you know, before the closure, most of the floods are in Station 1. Somewhere in Station 1, like near Ambassador. And here, Station 2, Henan Regency. You know, there's like big pipe or they stuck something there. It's always like this. It's really hard for the tourists, you know. It's really hard. And especially for the workers. Look at that. Oh, God. Hopefully they fix this up soon. Real soon, you know. Before the opening of the Boracay. The new normal. New Boracay, hopefully. And safety. COVID free. Oh, God. Back again to the vlog. Yeah. I'm almost home. So, ano ba pag-usapan natin? I forgot our topic, you know. Hopefully we have a good weather tomorrow, you know, because I have like more vlogs to show you. Especially here in Boracay. There's a lot of hidden spots when the weather is good. Not like this. Not like this. Oh, look at that. Oh, shoot. Shoot, you know, like shooting. Before in my old vlog, I never, you know, really talk this much. Yeah. Then, you know, we should, in our life, you know, we should like put things together, you know, do some level up, like upgrade, like more better than before, you know, the better you, something like that. Yeah. What can I say? Life is short. You know, we must always improve ourselves to be a better person for our family, for us, for ourselves. Yeah. And we're already on the main road. Yeah, look at that. Even though right now, most of the locals still struggling about the situation. Everyone here in the Philippines. But I think, you know, especially us, we're living in the hospitality industry. We work in the hospitality industry. No tourists, no guests, no work, no income. How can we support our family? So they just declared like a week ago, tourists from Western Visayas can go here inside the island. From Western Visayas only. Not from Manila or from other part of the Philippines. But I'm gonna talk about it for the next vlog. So, that's all for today. See you for the next vlog. Subscribe to Boracaymix TV for more updates. Let's get it.